Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you people are doing good and you're all safe and your family members are safe. So, today I'm here with next illustration on accounting for life insurance companies, problem number 8. So, this question has been asked in the year 2008, December 2008 question paper, University of Mysore. So the question paper which we are solving. Okay, so let us look into the problem. The following are the balances extracted from the books of a life insurance corporation limited as on 31st 3 2008. The first item, paid up capital 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 2 lakh. Life fund as on 1/4/2007, 59,44,600 rupees. Dividend paid 30,000 rupees. Bonus to policyholders 63,000 rupees. Premium received 3,23,000 rupees. Then claims paid is 3,94,000 rupees. Commission paid 18,600 rupees. Management expenses 64,090 rupees. Mortgages in India 9,84,400 rupees. Interest and dividends received is 2,25,400 rupees. Agents balances 18,600 rupees. Then freehold properties rupees 80,000. It is freehold premises 80,000 rupees. Investments 46 lakh 10,000 rupees. Loans on companies policies 3,47,200 rupees. Cash on deposits 54,000 rupees. Then cash in hand and current account 14,600 rupees. Surrenders 14,600 rupees. Prepare a revenue account for the year ended 31st 3 2008 and balance sheet as on that date after considering the following adjustment. So adjustment number A, claims admitted but not paid rupees 18,600. Then point B, management expenses due rupees 400. Then point C, interest accrued rupees 38,600. And point D, outstanding premium rupees 24,000. So this is the problem, dear students, which we have to solve. So before going to the solution part, so I just wanted to tell you that one part about that one thing about that, as we did in the last problem. So first you mark it, when you mark the questions, so which are all comes under which schedule, if you mark, so then you start solving, so that is going to be very easy for you to solve. Okay, so first you try to mark the schedule number, other details in the problem directly, so then it is going to be very easy for you to solve. Okay, are you able to mark it or no? Yes. Okay, can you start marking with me? Paid up capital, so that is share capital. In which schedule number it will come? Schedule number 5. Very good. Mark it 5 for the paid up capital. Then life fund. See, any fund, I have told you many times, fund. So whenever fund comes, so that is usually come under reserves and surplus head, right? So schedule number 6, mark it as a schedule number 6 in front of that. Then dividend paid will be always, we take consideration, that is in appropriations, I believe, correct? So dividend paid we always take in which? So that is in appropriations, correct? So then write it as a appropriations. Okay, so then next item is bonus to policy holders. So policy holders are nothing but interim bonus, clear? So then that also we will take it in appropriations in while calculating revenue account. So we will take this dividend paid and bonus to policyholders in appropriations. So mark it as a APP. So that means both are comes under appropriations. Then we have premium received. Premium received always schedule number 1. Correct. Mark it as a 1. Then claims paid. Schedule number 4. Correct. Then commission paid. So that comes under which schedule? Yes, schedule number 2. Then management expenses. Schedule number 3. Very good. Then we have a mortgages in India. See, mortgage is a mortgage. Mortgage is nothing but loans. So loans and advances. So that is schedule number 9. Very good. Then interest and dividend received. See, interest and dividend received we always take as a what? Other incomes. Correct. So under schedule number 1 we have a other income. So where we are going to consider that interest and dividend. Correct. So after that we have a agents balances. So agents balances we always reflected in schedule number 12. So mark it as a schedule number 12 for agents balances. Then you have a freehold properties. See, freehold properties is nothing but fixed assets. So that comes under fixed assets. So then what is the schedule number for freehold premises? Yes, so that is schedule number 10. Very good. That is schedule number 10. So next we have investment. So investment come under which schedule number? Schedule number 8. Yes, mark it in front of investment as a 8. Then you have a loans on companies policies. See, loans on companies policies. So that comes under what? Obviously loans and advances. Correct. So loans and advances schedule number 9. Good. Then we have a cash on deposits. So cash on deposits, it is always comes under other assets. So that is schedule number 12. So mark it as a schedule number 12. Then you have a cash in hand and current account. Cash in and current account will come under which schedule? Yes, schedule number 11. Correct. Schedule number 11 is current asset. So under current asset it will be considered cash in hand. So that is why it is schedule number 11. So next we have a surrenders. Surrenders we always consider under schedule number 4. Correct. So that is under claims we consider that. Okay. So now let us move towards the adjustment part. See, claims admitted but not paid, he said. Claims admitted but not paid. See, claims related adjustment will reflected in claims only. That means schedule number 4 you should add, and at the same time in schedule number 3 you should show this. Sorry, 13. In schedule number 13 also you should show this. So then mark it as a 4 and 13. First adjustment. Adjustment number 2. Management expenses due rupees 400. See, management expenses will come under what? Which schedule? Under expenditure, under operating expenses. Correct. Under operating expenses. So operating expenses is schedule number 3. So schedule number 3 add, and you should reflect this expenditure also in schedule number 13. Clear? Under current liability. Then interest accrued rupees 38,600. Interest and dividend we always take in other incomes. Correct. So interest accrued means you have earned an interest. So that is also comes under other income schedule number 1, and you should reflect the same in schedule number 12 in other assets. In other assets, that means schedule number 12. The last adjustment is outstanding premium. See, outstanding premium always you should take in premium only. Correct. So that is premium outstanding. Schedule number 1 you should add it, and again it is going to be other assets. So that is, it will be reflected in schedule number 12. So this is one of the easiest problem which we can solve just like that. Okay. So now I believe you got the clarity how to solve and which are all the schedule you should consider. So let us solve the solution without any delay. I am ready with the table, and I believe you are also ready. Okay. So let us give the heading for the table: revenue account in the books of a Life Insurance Corporation Limited. A Life Insurance corporation limited. Okay, give the heading particulars, schedule number, rupees and rupees. Okay, so ready with the table. So first mean, so that is number 1, that is what we always write, income, correct, income earned, income. So under that we will have premium earned, correct, premium earned, premium earned. So that is going to be schedule number 1. So under that take down premiums. So how much premiums he has given in the problem? Premiums, premium received, that is in the trial balance, 3,23,000 rupees. Did you got? Yes, write down 3,23,000 rupees. So do you have any other items? Because you have already marked it, right? Related to premium, yes, you have adjustment number 4. Adjustment number D, outstanding premium rupees 24,000. So shall we add? Add or deduct? Add, right? Fine. Add outstanding premium. Outstanding premium 24,000 rupees. 24,000. So I have written it. So the total which I get, how much? The total. So use the calculator, as I always insist you people to use the calculator. 3,23,000 plus 24,000 is 3,47,000 outer column. I'm writing this total in outer column, 3,47,000. So next what you have to do? Other incomes. So other incomes. Other incomes. So just check out in the problem. This also I have already made you to mark in the problem, correct? So that is in other incomes. Always we get only one item, that is interest and dividends. So check out, interest and dividends are there or not? Yes, it is there in the trial balance. Other incomes, interest and dividends received 2,25,400, correct? So write down interest and dividends 2,25,400. 2,25,400. So again one more adjustment, I have told you to add it in other incomes. Just check out adjustment number C, right? Interest accrued rupees 38,600, correct? So write down, add interest accrued, add interest accrued. So how much interest accrued? 38,600 rupees. So mark it 38,600, write it down, then total it and put it to outer column. So that is 2,25,400 plus 38,600 put together 2,64,000 rupees. 2,64,000. So I am writing this outer column, 2,64,000. Now add the outer column amount, that is 3,47,000 plus 2,64,000. So that is 3,47,000 plus 2,64,000. Put together it is 6,11,000. 6,11,000 rupees. Okay. So this is going to be total A, that is income. Total A, that is nothing but income. Total A, income. Okay. So next we have to go for the expenditure part, that as you all know that second head, expenditures. Expenditures. Okay, fine. So under expenditures, we always have first item, that is commissions, schedule number 2, correct? Schedule number 2, commissions. So check out, commission paid 18,600 rupees. Since they don't have any other items which is related to commission, so I'm directly writing 18,600 rupees to the outer column. There is no any other adjustment he has given. Okay, fine. So next we have operating expenses. Operating expenses, which comes under always schedule number 3. Correct? Fine. Under operating expenses, check out. We always get what? Management expenses. Most common item. Correct? So, we have already marked it in the trial balance. Management expenses. So, write down management expenses. Management expenses, how much? They have given 64,000. So, I am writing it 64,000 rupees. Correct? So then you have one adjustment which is related to management expenses, adjustment number B. Management expenses due rupees 400, correct? So that you should add management expenses due. How much? 400 rupees. So now add 64,400 rupees, outer column 64,400 rupees. Clear? So next we have after operating expenses, we have claims, schedule number 4, correct? So claims is schedule number 4. So if you get, I don't think so you get confusion, because we are already at the end of the lesson. So 8th problem, other 1 or 2 problem, I'll end up the lesson. I don't think so you should get confused here. So by this time you would have learned everything. So in the claims, just check out claims paid. How much? 3,94,000. So I'm writing claims paid 3,94,000 rupees. 3,94,000 rupees. Then what you have to do? You have to add outstanding claims. So that is in the adjustment A, that is claims admitted but not paid. Clear? So that is add claims admitted but not paid. That is nothing but outstanding claims. So you can directly write it as outstanding claims. If you get confusion, then you have to write like this. Okay, so that is going to be 18,600 rupees. 18,600. Correct. Then you have surrenders. Surrenders means the policy which has been surrendered and it should be claimed. So that is trial balance last item, 14,600 rupees. 14,600 rupees. Clear? So I think almost all schedule number 4 items I have taken. You also check, because you also have already marked it. So no doubts, right? Yes. Okay, so now total it and put it to outer column, that is 3,94,000 plus 18,600 plus 14,600, put together 4,27,200. 4,27,200. So now add schedule number 2, 3 and 4. 18,600 plus 64,400 plus 4,27,200, put together it is 5,10,200. 5,10,200. 5,10,200. Clear? So this we consider, or we call it as what? Total B, that means all the expenses. Okay, total B. So we have net profit. Net profit we have to identify, that is A minus B. So that is nothing but 6,11,000 minus 5,10,200. 6,11,000 minus 5,10,200, that is 1,08,000. 1,08,000. This is going to be net profit. But in this problem we have appropriations, correct? So we have two appropriations, so that should be deducted. So what are all the appropriation? You only have marked it. Less appropriations. Identify. Yes, what is that? Appropriations, which you have marked it. So appropriation number 1 is dividend paid. Dividend paid. So dividend paid. Dividend paid how much? That is in the trial balance. Third item, 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees. Then you have bonus to policyholders. Bonus to policyholders. So that is also appropriations. Bonus to policyholders. So how much? Bonus to policyholders? 63,000 rupees. Fourth item in your trial balance. 63,000. So put together, add it. So since it has to be deducted, so put it to the directly outer column. So that is going to be your 93,000 rupees. 93,000. So deduct this from this. 1,08,000 minus 93,000, that comes to 7,800 is the surplus transferred to balance sheet. Surplus transferred to balance sheet. Okay, fine. So we are done with the revenue account. So now what you have to do? Yes, you have to prepare a balance sheet. Are you ready with the table for balance sheet? No? Yes, prepare the table. So by that time, I'll also prepare a table for the same. Okay. So let us take a table for balance sheet. Two amount column and one schedule column. Yes. So I am writing new balance sheet of a life insurance corporation limited. So particulars, schedule number, rupees and rupees. Are you all ready? New balance sheet of a life insurance corporation limited, particular schedule number, rupees and rupees. So first what we have to do? Sources of funds. This is nothing but what? Yes, liabilities. Correct? Yes. So sources of fund. So under this we always have what? Schedule number 5. So which item? Share capital. Correct? Share capital, schedule number 5. So how much? First item, 2 lakh rupees. Directly I have taken it to outer column because there will be no adjustment usually for share capital. So next you have reserves and surplus, reserves and surplus, schedule number 6, schedule number 6. So in that I have already told you, any fund, that kind of item, if it is there in the problem, for sure that will come. So we have what fund? Life fund, right? Third item, life fund, as on life fund, that is as on 1/4/2007, 59 lakh 44,600, 59 lakh 44,600. Add surplus, add surplus, which we have identified by preparing a revenue account, that is 7,800 rupees, correct? 7,800. So now add both. So add both 59 lakh 44,600 plus 7,800. 59 lakh 44,600 plus 7,800. That comes to 59 lakh 52,400. So I'm writing 59 lakh 52,400 rupees. 59 lakh 52,400. Clear? Then, do you have any borrowings? No, right? Borrowings is not given. So borrowings is going to be nil. So when borrowing is nil, then you total it, and this is going to be your total liabilities. Check out now 2 lakh plus 59 lakh 52,400 rupees. That comes to 61 lakh 52,400. 61 lakh 52,400. 61 lakh 52,400 rupees. Okay, fine. So next, what we have? Schedule number, which one we have? Schedule number 8, right? So that is going to be application of funds, that is nothing but assets. So let us write application of funds. This is nothing but assets. Okay, so under applications of fund, first one you have what? Borrowings is 7, I have forgotten. So next is 8, that is going to be investments. Investments, schedule number 8. Just check out any investment has been given in the problem and you have marked it as a schedule number 8 anywhere? No? Just check out. Yeah, it is there in the trial balance, right? Investments 45 lakh 10,000. Is that 45 lakh 10,000 or how much? Let me check. It is 46 lakh 10,000. 46 lakh 10,000. 46 lakh 10,000. I have taken it directly because usually for investment we don't get adjustments and all. Okay. So then we have loans and advances. Loans and advances, that is going to be schedule number 9. So in that first item we always have what? Loans and advances is there. Check out schedule number 9. Mortgages in India 9 lakh 84,400. That is one item we have. Then loans on companies policies, one more item we have, correct? So we have 2. So then first you have to take loans and advances, loans on companies policies. So let me take loans on company policies. So how much? 3,47,200. Yes, 3,47,200. Next, what we have? What exactly we have? That is another one item. Mortgages in India. 9,84,400. So let me take mortgages in India. So that is 9,84,400. Okay. So now calculate 3,47,200 plus 9,84,400. Put together 13,31,600. 13,31,600 rupees. 13,31,600. Okay. Clear? Fine. So next we have fixed assets. Schedule number 10. Correct. Schedule number 10 is fixed assets. Schedule number 10. So under schedule number 10, which are all the item you should take? You have already marked it, right? So that is schedule number 10. We have freehold premises. So take down freehold premises. Freehold premises. How much we have? 80,000 rupees. Correct. Freehold premises 80,000 rupees directly I am taking because there is no any other adjustment for this item. Then after that, current assets. So we have current assets. Current assets. Current assets, schedule number 11. So what are all we do have in current assets? Schedule number 11. That is only one item, right? Cash in hand and current account. So only one item we have, that is cash in hand and current account. So how much do we have? 14,600 rupees. Correct. So 14,600. I'm writing it here. 14,600. So after that we have other assets. Other assets that comes under schedule number 12. That comes under schedule number 12. So which are all the other assets? So let us go one by one. You have already marked it in your book, I believe. So that is agents balances is there. So write it. Agents balances. So how much agents balances? 18,600 rupees. Okay. After that you have cash on deposits. Cash on deposits. So that is also we have marked it as other assets. Cash on deposits. So how much cash on deposits? 34,000 rupees. Correct. Cash on deposits. Check out cash on deposits. 34,000. So done. Then you have interest accrued. That is in your adjustment. Interest accrued. That is also comes under other assets. So how much interest accrued you have? 38,600. So write down 38,600. Then you have one more item, outstanding premium, last adjustment, outstanding premium for the current year. So that is why it is also you should add 24,000 rupees. I think that's all. I've taken all the items, so you can also once cross check. So now total it 14,600 plus 18,600 plus 34,000 plus 38,600 plus 24,000. So put together 1 lakh 1,39,800. I think cash on deposits, one more time you check how much, 34 or 54,000. I'm getting doubt because it is not clearly printed in the question. So one moment, I'll check in my question paper, so which I have with me. See, a small ignorance should not be there, otherwise it won't get tallied. 2008 paper, right? Yes, I got it. It is 54,000. I'm sorry, I've written it as a 34. It is 54,000. Okay, fine. Now check out the total. See, whenever I get it out immediately, it should be clarified. 14,600 plus 18,600 plus 54,000 plus 38,600 plus 24,000. 1,49,800. So the total is 1,49,800. Okay. So next we have to take current liabilities, right? Current liabilities. So I'm taking current liabilities now. So under current liabilities, claims admitted, this is going to be schedule number 13. Claims admitted. Claims admitted but not paid. But not paid. So that is going to be 18,600. That is there in your adjustment number 1. Then outstanding management expenses. Management expenses due. That is adjustment number B, 400. So this is going to be your total 19,000 rupees. 19,000. So let us mark it as a total A. Total A, and this is total B. Okay. So A minus B. That is 1,49,800 minus 19,000. So if you deduct, so you are going to get 1,20,000 or 30,000. 1,30,800. 1,30,800. Okay. So now total this 46,10,000 rupees. 46,10,000 plus 13,31,600. 13,31,600 plus 80,000 plus 1,30,800. 1,30,800. So this together comes to 61,52,400. 61,52,400 rupees. 61,52,400 rupees is the total. 61,52,400 total. 61,52,000 total. 52,400. So both the totals are same, and the problem got tallied. So this problem is done with. So I think you got it now, the method how you are supposed to solve the solution. So especially with respect to general life insurance companies. So follow that same step as I have followed it. Like first you write down the schedule numbers against the question, so that you will get the clarity. Then you start the answering that particular question. Okay. So I'm done with this problem. So I believe you don't have doubt in this. If you have as such, you can give me a call or WhatsApp me so that I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. So I'll come back with one more video very shortly, very soon. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home. Take care of yourself and your family members. Bye bye.